Happy morning, children. Good morning. Welcome back to today's class. Today we will be learning how to read time in quarter 2. Let's start from an example 1. So here you can see the minute hand is at 9. So tell me in minutes 9 should be multiplied by 5. So it is 45 minutes. So here we can also say that the time is 15 minutes before the next hour. So if it has to reach 5 o'clock, it has to pass 15 minutes. Therefore the time is quarter to the next hour. So you can read the time as 4:45 or quarter to 5. After 15 minutes it will reach 5 o'clock. Moving to the second example. So here you tell me where is the long hand, minute hand. Minute hand is pointing towards 9. So 9 should be multiplied by 5, which gives you 45 minutes. Next we shall, so after 15 minutes it will reach 8 o'clock. Is it clear? After 15 minutes it will reach 8 o'clock. So here you can see the shorthand, hour hand is between 7 and 8. It is about to reach 8. It has not reached 8. So tell me what is the time? Yeah, it is 7:45 or quarter to 8. Yes, children, take out your maths class work, mark down today's date and write heading as time in quarter 2. Okay. You have to draw the clocks and mark the time. Yes. First one, where is the long hand? Yeah, it is pointing towards 9. So it is in 45 minutes. Where is the short hand? It is between 8 and 9. It has not yet reached 9. So the time is quarter to 9, 8:45. Next sum. The long hand is pointing towards 9. The short hand is between 2 and 3. It has not yet passed 3. It has not reached 3. So it is quarter to 3. After 15 minutes it is 3 o'clock. So the time is 2:45. Next sum. Here it is, long hand is pointing towards 9. So it is 45 minutes. The short hand is between 10 and 11. It has not yet reached 11. So it is quarter to 11 or 10:45. Open your textbook, that is New Guided Mathematics textbook, and open page number 149. Page number 149. It is exercise 9.1. Read the question given. Write the time shown on these clocks. What you have to do? You have to see both the hands and you have to write the time in the box given. So first we'll see the hour hand. Hour hand is between 3 and 4. So it represents 3 o'clock. What about the minutes? The long hand is pointing towards 6. 6 into 5 gives you 30. So it is 3:30. 3 has 30 minutes. Next, the long hand is pointing towards 9. 9 into 5 gives you 45 minutes. The short hand is between 2 and 3. So it is 2 hour 45 minutes. Here you can see the short hand is between 1 and 2. So it is 1 hour. The long hand is pointing towards 9. So it is 45 minutes. So what is the time? It is 1 hour 45 minutes. Next, the short hand is between 4 and 5. So the time is 4. What about the minutes? Yeah, it is 15 minutes. Next one, the short hand is between 7 and 8. So it is 7 hours. What about the minutes? It is showing towards 6. So 6 into 5 gives you 30. It is 7 hours 30 minutes. Next one. Here the short hand is pointing towards 9. Exactly towards 9. What about the long hand? Yeah, it is pointing towards 12. You have to tell time in hours now. So it is 9 o'clock. 9:00. Next, the long hand is pointing towards 9. So it is 45 minutes. The short hand is between 4 and 5. So it is 4 hour 45 minutes. Next sum. So here the short hand is between 1 and 2. So it is 1 hour, and the long hand, minute hand, is pointing towards 3. So what is the time? It is 1 hour 15 minutes. So rest you are doing it as homework. Use scale for drawing hands. So second sum, draw the minute and hour hands on the faces of the clock. So what you have to do? You have to draw both the hands. You have to draw minute hand and hour hand. So first one, it is 7:15 or 7:15. So what you have to do? The long hand, minute hand, is pointing towards 3. Okay, the short hand is little away from 7 because just now it has passed 7 o'clock, only 15 minutes it has passed. So I have drawn little away from 7. So second one, 9:45 or 9:45. So long hand is pointing towards 9. 9 into 5 gives you 45 minutes. So the short hand is about to reach 10. It is about to reach 10 but not yet reached 10. So little away from 10. Next, 6:30 or 6:30. So the long hand is pointing towards 6. 6 into 5 gives you 30. 6 5s are 30. So the hand, if you draw between 5 and 6, it becomes 5:30. The hand should be drawn between 6 and 7. That is 6:30. Next, time in hours, it is 5 o'clock or 5 colon with 2 zeros. So the long hand is pointing towards 12. The short hand is pointing towards 5. When you turn the page, you have got 8 more sums that you are doing it as homework. Next, third sum. This we have got in next page. That is in page number 150. So put a tick mark in the correct box. First one, 5:15. It is already done. It is 5:15. Next, 9:30. It is 9:30. Next, 2:45. It is about to reach 3. So it is 2:45. Next, 7:15. It is 7 hours 15 minutes. Next, 11:45. It is 11 hours 45 minutes. This you are doing it in max. Next, fourth one, fill in the blanks. When the minute hand is at 3, it is what you have to do? You have to multiply 3 into 5, which gives you 15 minutes. 15 minutes past the hour. B. When the minute hand is at 7, it is 7 should be multiplied by 5. So 7 5s are 35 minutes past the hour. Next, when the minute hand is at 9, it is 9 into 5 gives you 45 minutes past the hour. D. When the minute hand is at 11, it is 11 into 5 gives you 45 minutes past the hour. Yes, let's start with a fresh topic, the concept of AM and PM. We know that a day has 24 hours. 24 hours make a day. Only 12 hours are shown on the face of the clock. So the day is divided into 2 halves. From 12 o'clock in the night, midnight, to 12 o'clock at noon is the first half. From 12 o'clock in the night to the 12 o'clock at the noon is the first half. These 12 hours are considered as morning hours. To show time from midnight to noon, we write it as AM. The full form of AM is ante-meridiem. A-N-T-E, ante-meridiem. M-E-R-I-D-I-E-M, meridian. The time from 12 noon to 12 midnight is the second half. These 12 hours are considered as afternoon or evening hours. To show the time from 12 noon to 12 midnight, we write PM, that is post meridian. You know it very well, the New Year celebrations. When do we celebrate? Yeah, midnight, 12 o'clock we celebrate. So the next day starts from 12 midnight. Here is PM stands for post meridian and AM stands for ante meridian. So we do not write AM or PM for 12 noon or 12 midnight. Yes children, it is exercise 9.2 in page number 153. So we have to use AM for the time from 12 midnight to 12 noon. We use PM for the time from 12 noon to 12 midnight. So for some, it is 8 o'clock in the morning. So it is 8 AM. 5 o'clock in the evening, it is 5 PM. 3 hours after 12 noon is, so after 12, 1, 2, 3. So it is 3 PM. 4 hours after 12 midnight is 12, 1, 2, 3, 4. As it is in midnight, after that you get the next day. So it is PM. 6:30 before noon is, so before noon it is AM. Next 45 minutes before midnight is, it is 7 hour 45 minutes. The time the sun rises is, morning it rises, so it is 6 AM. The time the sun sets is, so it is 6 PM. That's all for today children. Bye.